नमस्ते, हाय डियर, सलाम अलैकुम, सत श्री अकाल, नमो बुद्धाय। वेलकम टू माय चैनल लाइफ अनस्क्रिप्टेड। मैं हूँ आप सबकी अर्पिता। अभी मैं जा रही हूँ मुंबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट में। जाना है मुंबई टू कोची। चलो मेरे साथ। अभी बैठ गई उबर कैब में। आज है 19 सितंबर, थर्सडे। हमारे घर से एयरपोर्ट का डिस्टेंस दिखा रहा है 23 मिनट्स। रास्ते में ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक नहीं है, तो आशा है कि टाइम से पहुंच जाएंगे। आई एम फ्लाइंग टू कोची. Kochi, also known as Cochin, is a city in Kerala. Kochi is famous for its port, which was built way back in 1341. Since then, it was open to Arab, Chinese, and European merchants. These influences are reflected in the lifestyle of Kochi even today. I am served breakfast, which is upma, tea, and some bhujia to take with tea. We have almost reached Kochi. Kochi is often called by the name Ernakulam. So, Kochi has total 3 names: Kochi, Cochin, and Ernakulam. Ernakulam refers to the mainland part of the city. As I said, Kochi has influences of foreign culture. Sites reflecting those influences include Fort Kochi, a settlement with tiled colonial bungalows and diverse houses of worship. Cantilever Chinese nets, typical of Kochi, have been in use for centuries. I noticed an unusual sight at Kochi airport. Unlike other airports, lot of wooden interior work is observed here. You can see the waiting chairs for passengers are wooden sofa chairs. Even the railings of the staircase and railings around the escalators are also wooden. The reason is there is a government approved timber for construction work in Kerala, which is known as wild jack. It is a tropical evergreen tree species. It is the best choice for door or window frames, temple work, or traditional housework. Kochi airport is a small airport, as you can see here. It may be small in size, but one of its kind in the whole world. Yes, you heard it correct, in the whole world. Kochi International Airport in Kerala in 2015 became world's first fully solar powered airport. It is completely energy self-sufficient. I could see solar panels all over the roof of the parking space outside the airport. It has 46,150 solar panels as per information received from Google. This airport has 3 passenger terminals and 1 cargo terminal. It is also the first airport in India built under public-private partnership. This airport is owned and operated by Cochin International Airports Limited. Now I have enough time in hand, about 3 hours, to look around the airport. I drank water, I charged my phone, I took selfies, I talked to co-passengers, I WhatsApped people, I did Facebook, and I called my family while waiting inside the airport. अभी फ्रेंड के लिए वेट कर रही हूँ. उनकी फ्लाइट आ रही है कोलकाता से. उसके बाद कैब बुक किया हुआ है, कोची टू अलेप्पी चलेंगे. Objective of our trip is catching up with an old friend of almost 50 years. Yes, you heard it correct. बीते बिताई दिनों की बातें भूलूं कैसे, आयो तो देखी दिखाई मन की बातें भुलाई ना जाए. आओ बस के बार आओ साथी प्राण में समाओ, हम सुख दुख की बातें करें, हल्का हो ये मन. हम भोर भोर जो फूल चुने थे झूले थे झूले. बाजाओ बंसी गीत गाए थे बकुल के तले। हाय अचानक हम बिछड़ गए कहीं कहीं, फिर ये मिलन जो अब हो गया साथी प्राण में समा। We are heading to Arukuti in Aleppi district. Aleppi is also known as Alappuzha. Distance from Kochi is about 15 kilometers, takes an hour by car. Now we are at Club Mahindra Resort, Arukuti. Munna is a member of Club Mahindra Holidays and I am her guest. This is the reception area of the resort. We'll stay here for 3 nights and 4 days. We have pre-booked our breakfast and dinner with resort booking. Transportation we are paying separately. The reception area is beautifully decorated, showcasing Kerala's uniqueness like Ayurveda, tree plantation, spices and wooden handicraft. In the reception, Miss Minnu welcomed us traditionally by giving tikka and her sweet smile. My bestie Munna completed all the paperwork related to booking while I took photos and videos as usual. Strawberry juice. Allotted a nice room, huh? For us, thank you so much.
I got talked to him yesterday. What is his name? Specs. The reception?
Black t-shirt.
No. One who was checking in. Who in front of me was sitting. The person.
Is the uniform is black.
Yeah, he was black t-shirt wearing black t-shirt. I don't know.
I did.
Huh?
I did.
Aryan.
Yeah.
I saw the name tag.
So you
So
talked
he
to
called me
Aryan?
yesterday.
Okay.
So I told him that give me a room with a good view. So just now he told me that I remember.
Okay.
Very beautiful. Pool also?
Yes, baggage.
Where is the swimming pool?
This side goes straight to
Huh.
left side is
Huh.
swimming pool. Right
Huh.
side is half the hut.
Okay. And we can get swimsuits. Actually, we forgot to bring swimsuits.
There is no swimming pool.
Are you-
Half the hut is available.
Right. Like we can take it on rent or we'll buy. We'll buy. Okay. No problem. And these houses are also your property? These small.
Yeah, this full
Huh?
This one individual cottage.
Individual
Yeah,
cottages.
individual
Oh,
cottage.
very nice. Yeah.
But this cottage is no view. Yeah.
Yes, no view, only garden view, but we have the full backwater view, right?
Yeah. This one is better good view.
Yes, no doubt about it.
Okay, ma'am. If in doubt, just go to reception.
Right. Thank you so much, Minnu. Two good friends are meeting each other after 7 long years. So there has to be exchange of gifts. Munna brought for me something priceless. She's very good in crochet work. She made this crochet table mat for me with her own hands. This is simply priceless. Also, she brought for me a nice tussar silk sari. I gifted her a silver chain and pendant written hope, as hope is our driving force in everyday life. Also, I gifted her a silver ring written Akla Cholore, which means walk on your own, walk on solo, make your own way. I also gifted her a Kasavu sari letter. These gifts would remind us again and again about this reunion trip. The room is extremely beautiful. We both like the room very much. It's so spacious. There is lot of space around the bed. ये देखिए, ऐसा वुडन लिफ्ट कहीं पे देखा है? सब जगह में स्टील का लिफ्ट होता है, केरला में आके वुडन लिफ्ट देखा। Now we are in the dining room of the resort for dinner. We took samosa chaat, fried chicken, veg Manchurian and chili fish. Later we took desserts. There were n number of items in menu. प्लेट पूरा खाली। एक बार मैंने As both of us left home today early morning and were traveling throughout the day, we were dog tired. We just wanted to go to our room and sleep. I have covered the whole Alappuzha trip in 3 parts. Otherwise, it would have been too long to watch for viewers at one go. So today's video ends here. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon so that you get notification when a new video is released. Take care. God bless you always. I love you. Bye bye.